Caroline, what's this? Did you say snow?
Snow.
Woo! Here, throw this at Kristen. Throw it.
Snow.
Ready?
My butt is getting wet. Oh, she was fell. Snow. Snow. Caroline. 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 Snow.
Caroline, what's this?
Snow.
Babe, quit saying it. Maybe she'll
I'm
say
sorry.
it.
Okay. I just want to remind her how to say it. No, don't let her eat it. Oh, she's eating at her mitt.
There you go. Put this back. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. She's like, but it tastes so good. I used to eat snow when I was a kid.
Well, yeah, but our yard is dirty.
Take a picture of that. That's so cute.
It's on video. I'm videoing this. This could be acid rain. Hey, Caroline. Fine. Okay, seriously, that came right off the ground. All right, Caroline. I really don't... Snow.
I'm gonna
Snow.
put towel over that, and then we'll put her in there. Okay?
All right. Snow. Say it once.
Hey, whenever you don't talk about it, she says it.
Okay,
Stop it.
okay.